theory, this may actually work.
Welcome to PARKSIDE The Pull, the craziest world record challenge ever. Can the PARKSIDE 12-volt cordless drill driver pull an Airbus A380?
The A380 has a wingspan of 80 meters and the wings have 846 square meters of surface area. Imagine you had to place laminate here.
The A380 is very big and very heavy. So huge in fact that PARKSIDE is going to set a new Guinness World Record. Let's plug the battery in the drill driver. Now we are ready for a great performance. This is the amazing PARKSIDE Performance 12-volt cordless drill driver that is about to move this giant of the skies. Unbelievable what PARKSIDE has developed here.
Here is the setup for the PARKSIDE record attempt. Using a counterweight of 24 tons, we anchor our cable winch firmly in place. The cordless drill driver operates the cable winch. We will soon find out what power it can develop.
This is an official Guinness World Records record attempt. 3, 2, 1, go!
You got this, Georg! This has never been done before and we just did it. Let's wait for the final result.
You managed 1 meter and 43 centimeters. Congratulations! You are all officially amazing!
We did it! Incredible. Honestly, what we're now capable of with a cordless drill driver. I wonder what else we can move.